tell one. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Trammps!
Go block!
Was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. You've not been paying attention.
Levity, take your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Remind me to raise our rate.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Trammps, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?